friends, my name is Catalina and this is my crafts channel. Well, I like to try many crafts and I cannot say that I'm good in any area in particular, but I do like to keep myself busy with different things. And so a few weeks ago I started flirting with the idea of having a Cricut machine. I watched many videos and I read many comments on the social media about these machines, and I wanted to try it for myself. Well, I watched many videos on YouTube of how to unbox this machine and what to expect from it. I want to do a video about it, to make a video about unboxing this machine from a total beginner point of view. So I've never tried to work with a machine like this. I have no idea how to use the designing program. I don't know what to expect when I'm gonna download the program, although I watch many videos. So that's why I think this will be interesting for all of you who want to purchase such a machine. I intend to use it just for cutting fabric. So other than that, the YouTube is full of very interesting tutorials. So stay with me and I hope you enjoy the video that I'm gonna make. I know for sure I'm gonna enjoy unboxing this machine. The machine I ordered is Cricut Maker, and it comes with a bundle of things that you need to use the machine. So this is the cable. Hold some here. So I assume this is a mat that you use with paper. Light grip. And then is another mat, cutting mat for fabrics only. So this is what I'm interested in. Let's see what's happened. What's in here? Nothing is in here. Okay, there's nothing in here.
Oops, I like the presentation of this machine. It's beautiful. This is the welcome book. Beautiful pictures, making, library, projects, fonts, different.
So they gave me a rotary blade. I am downloading the Cricut design space. Okay, so I installed the Cricut design, and step one, of course I had to make an ID, and step one was to prepare workspace, and they want me to try cutting an image, and so I'm just going, probably they want me to use it with the cardstock. I chose the image of a bear. They asked me if I want to start my free trial, and I said maybe later, because I'm not yet sure what that means. It says materials for your project, so they only give me this blue thing and this white thing. So I'm gonna try with the blue. Yeah, this mat is grippy. It's sticky. It seems to have like a wax on it or something. Let's see what's next. Confirm the blade is set in place in clump B. Okay, how do I confirm that? Let's Let's see how do we confirm that. Okay, so like a small pointy blade. Yes, it is in its place here. I close it back. It was kind of scary because it opposes some resistance, and even now, okay, push mat up under the guides toward the rollers. So I'm pushing the mat up here under the rollers. Flashy, they want me to press that. Okay, press the flashing go button, which is a Cricut. Hello. One next cut in progress. This looks painful. Oh, look at that. I can see a shade. Ooh, that's it. The cut is complete. Oh my goodness, let's see. Next, press the unload button. Okay. Ooh, look, this is the bear. Where is it? Of course you can. Here is a bear. And this comes out. Wow, look at my bear. Cute, right? Very nice. So what am I doing with this bear? Okay. So it says, let's design. To design what? I'm gonna start now playing with the design program, and the moment I'm gonna learn what to do, I'll show you my screen. Until then, take a long break.